Alright, so today I'm gonna clean the wheels. I might use two different products. I have white diamond, and this one's called Fast Freddy's polish. And I have some microfiber cloths. Just got dirty. Gotta clean them up. I'm gonna use some gloves. We'll see how much of this they can clean up, if they can clean up anything. I'm gonna use this white diamond first, but I'm gonna shake it for a little bit because I know sometimes these products they tend to sit, so I kind of want to make sure everything is good on it before I use it. I'll put a little bit on this rag. I think it's gonna work. Nah? Yes? Let's see. Look how black it's coming out. So you know this thing is dirty. Let's see. You can see on here, it cleaned up, it shined it up pretty good, but I can still see little dots here and there. So most likely I'm going to have to get them cut and then polished. You see how it's hazy, then it looks a lot like shinier there. On this spot right here, I'm gonna try this other one. See how this one works. On this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna shake this bottle for a little bit. I'm gonna use a new rag on this side. Well, on this product, I'm using a new rag. Look how black it is too. I think on this side it worked a little bit better. I don't see that many little dots compared to here. I think this one did better than the white diamond. I'm gonna try some of that one or some of this one on this spot. See if it takes off some of these. Hey, but for real, I need a buffer though, cause man, I'm tired already. My hand is tired. Let's see the result. You can still see some little dots here. Compared to that, let me see how it gets shiny. This is rough, smooth, but I can still feel these little dots. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get them cut and polished mejor, because I ain't gonna be here all day trying to clean these up by hand. It's too much. But they shine up pretty good still, so that's good. So yeah, I kind of like how the wheels are coming out. You know, it's still getting some shine on, but if you look closely, you can still see all the little spots on it and this and that. So I got a guy that he's cleaned some wheels for me before, and he doesn't charge much, and he's mobile. So I might just get him out here to do my wheels. Probably gonna do the inside of the wheel also, because that one was pretty filthy. I'm sure they're all pretty filthy. And yeah, I'm gonna have to cover up the truck. I want to build like a little carport for it. Probably take it out to the shows, or at least drive it around. I haven't driven this truck with current plates since like 2015. That's 5 years ago. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. On the next one, I'm going to try to talk about the truck, a little bit more about details on the bag system and the wheels and how much I had to cut in, this and that. And I'm going to try to vacuum it and try to clean the engine bay a little bit also. But appreciate everybody's support. I know I've neglected the truck, and I think I'm going to try to bring it out more often and fix some little details on it. And appreciate everybody that's watching, man, and y'all be safe.